Hey everyone, so today I'm doing a Lubricity Labs unboxing video, and this is the box right here. I just tried this on my hair today and I have to say I love it, so let's go ahead and dive into the box. So using the Lubricity Labs system, this is an overview of everything you're getting in this kit. This set also includes the Q shampoo and Q condition, and this helps to maintain hair softness and shine in between treatments. And the Q actually stands for quinoa. You're also getting the Step 1 penetrate, also the Step 2 encapsulate, and a cap for your hair, a couple dispensers for the bottles, plus instructions for how to use this kit. Here's what the card looks like, and when you flip it over, you also get an illustrated guide on how to do each step. The Lubricity Labs Q shampoo is the key to gently cleansing your hair without stripping away natural oils. This shampoo will leave your hair nourished and protected. Also, when using the shampoo and conditioner in between treatments, your hair will be left frizz-free and looking its best. When using the two-step penetrate and encapsulate anti-frizz treatment, you'll want to use these every 3 to 6 months. This hair transformation system turns coarse and unruly hair into smooth locks with tremendous shine and manageability.